Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. After some active weather early this morning, we're starting to clear out across the region, seeing all the rain showers and even a few thunderstorms we had earlier today move well off the coast. We'll see clearing conditions with mostly cloudy skies, a good amount of upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region today with mild temperatures in the upper 60s for highs today, so well above normal for this time of year. Taking a look at our freezing level from this morning sounding at 9,500 feet. Winds out of the west-southwest and fairly consistent throughout the column this morning, seeing some stronger winds on low levels around 35 to 50 knots, and then seeing those winds continue around 30 knots up to 9,000 feet, then increasing up to 59 knots at 20,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we do have this warm front north of our area that gave us those showers and thunderstorms earlier today. You can see the thunderstorms off the coast as well as some showers well off the coast this morning. Going to see another area low pressure develop across the region for our Friday, giving us unsettled conditions and cooler weather for Friday. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have that cloud coverage across the area, seeing a few breaks in that cloud moving towards the region, and we're going to see anywhere from mostly cloudy to overcast skies for today. We'll see a good amount of filtered sunshine, however, mainly the cloud cover is going to be across or in the upper levels across the region, and that's going to give us a good amount of filtered sunshine and some nice weather for this afternoon. Taking a look at the WRF model for today, you can see there's rain showers that moved through this morning, and then for the afternoon, just going to see some cirrus cloudiness. And then once we move into Friday, going to see another boundary set up across the region. Is going to give us some breezy conditions as well as some rain across the region, and that's going to allow for another area low pressure to develop across the region as well for Friday evening into early overnight Saturday. That's going to give us a chance of some thunderstorms with that area low pressure moving through and a line of showers and thunderstorms across the region. Once we move into Saturday morning, going to see clearing conditions. However, we'll see windy conditions across the region as some pressure gradient tightens across the region and the area low pressure off to our northeast develops over New England. So taking a look at the European model, the next few days you can see there's rain showers moving in for our Friday, and then the area low pressure developing just off to our north and west for early Saturday morning, going to give us a chance of those thunderstorms moving through. And then for Saturday, just going to see this area low pressure kind of deepen off the New England coast, going to give us some tighter pressure gradient across the region with some windy conditions, but mild for Saturday. And then Sunday looks like we'll see a little bit cooler conditions across the region, more towards seasonable averages with high pressure in control. And for Monday, looks like we'll have this area high pressure shift off the coast. We'll see another seasonable day across the region for Monday. And then for Tuesday, we'll see a mild day across the region. A weak cold front moves to the region on Tuesday morning. And then we'll see a delay of that cold air mass moving in the region until Wednesday. So a warm day for Tuesday. And for Wednesday, you can see here as this area low pressure deepens off the coast or the northeast coast, we'll see some colder air being vected in the region. That's going to give us some temperatures maybe slightly below average to average temperatures for Wednesday. So taking a look at our 24-hour terminal forecast, high today of 68, low tonight of 43. We'll see northwesterly winds this afternoon, 7 to 12 knots, gusting as high as 19 knots. We did have that rainfall in the area this morning as moved out of the region. We'll see green chart across the board for the next 24 hours. As far as our terminal forecast goes, we'll see some ceilings rise up to around 20,000 feet this afternoon, and that'll continue until we move into the overnight hours, and we'll see some ceilings lower down to 7,000 to 8,000 feet. Slight chance of a rain shower after 8 o'clock, but most likely those rain showers will hold off until Friday, 10 local. Our tides are 1 to 2 feet above normal. And looking at Friday and Saturday, some unsettled conditions across the region throughout that time period. We'll see Friday overcast rain likely by late morning, windy and chilly. Temperatures steady in the 40s during the daytime. We'll see an evening high of 51. We'll see those rain showers in the area throughout the day on Friday. Not going to see a lot of total precipitation on Friday, but this is through 8 p.m. Friday evening, so we'll continue to see those rain showers, just not a lot of total precipitation. As we move into our day Friday, we'll see the winds increase out of the east and southeast and gusting higher as we move in the evening hours, and we'll see a chance of some low ceilings with those rain showers. For Friday night, rain showers likely with a chance of a thunderstorm during the late evening and early overnight hours, then clearing with breezy to windy conditions. We'll see wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour possible. We'll see a low of 51, with temperatures rising overnight into the lower 60s, and then back down in the lower 50s by Saturday morning. or dawn Saturday, we'll see a good chance of precipitation across the region. Could see some heavier rainfall with any of those thunderstorms moving through. So this time frame after Friday at 8 p.m. or 20 local is the time where it could see more precipitation across the region. We'll see a decent chance of some thunderstorms moving through with a developing area low pressure, lots of wind energy across the region. So going to see about a 40 to 50% chance of a thunderstorm across the region, and that will give us that orange color here. Our winds will be strong off the water with that area low pressure moving through, so going to see winds well above 25 knots with the gusts. So for Saturday, we'll see mostly to partly cloudy and windy conditions. Wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour possible, high of 63. So mild for Saturday, but it will be windy, especially in the morning hours with wind gusts possibly as high as 45 miles an hour. The next 7 days, looking at those very mild conditions today, 68, and then back towards seasonable averages tomorrow. Will be a fairly cold and dreary day across the region as we'll have rainfall, some windy conditions, some breezy conditions, temperatures in the 40s throughout the day on Friday. And then for Saturday, it looks like a windy day, as I mentioned, high of 63, so above average. Sunday and Monday towards seasonable averages, partly cloudy, a slight chances of sprinkles to move into Tuesday morning. And Tuesday looks like a warm day, once again, highs in the upper 60s, lower 70s. And then for Wednesday, back towards seasonable average or slight below, as it appears right now, with temperatures in the upper 40s and near 50 for high. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15, 10 a.m.